Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to read Experian credit report. So this is going to be pretty easy. So first of all, what are we going to do here is you can see we have a credit report right in front of us. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see much more clearly. So on the top we are starting with the name. We can see we have requested by the landlord information. We have the testing the system, so basically this is for testing purposes. And the one thing that I am going to be pressuring is you can see on the top right we have this ATS transaction hashtag number, so make sure to keep this in mind. So you can see we have 7000015, so this is going to be the ATS transaction information. Below you can see the provider information that is basically provided by the landlord. We have the name, so in case you're not a landlord, it is going to be for a different purpose. So the information is going to be, by the way, provided by the individual user. We have Joe, the tenant, and various other stuff. We have the SSN, we have the current address and previous address and stuff like that. Below you can see we have names and nicknames and other information, so everything is basically highlighted in different headings and stuff. Now basically you can see we have the report, we have the vantage score going on. You can go through that as well, and yeah, once you go through everything you can see we have at the end of the report, and this is actually pretty easy. So if you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below and I will trying my best to assist you in that matter. Thank you so much for watching guys, stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.